Humanity has been trying to inject drugs under the skin for exactly 170 years. And for 170 years, it's hurt like hell. That metal monster on your screen, that's Alexander Wood's first hypodermic needle. It's crude, it's thick, and it rips through skin like cheap fabric. A total hack job. Modern needles are thinner today, sure, but the principle hasn't changed. Jamming a metal pipe into your flesh with brute force. But in nature, there is a surgeon that drills in, finds a vein, steals your blood, and doesn't even wake you up. An autonomous drilling rig, millions of years in the making. Today, we're comparing our primitive metal tubes against nature's smart drill. Welcome to Unbox History Lab. First, let's get one thing straight. Stop calling it a mouth. This is a multi-part proboscis unit, engineered on a microscopic scale. It looks like a single needle from the outside, but that is just an illusion. Let's unbox this kit. Part 1. The labium. That thick outer sheath doesn't actually go in. It's just a guide. When drilling starts, it folds back like a needle cap. Part 2. The maxillae. Here's the duo doing the dirty work. Look at those tips. Those aren't needles. They are saws with microscopic teeth. And no, they don't puncture the skin. They cut it. Part 3. The mandibles. While the saws cut a path, these two push the tissue apart to widen the tunnel, just like a surgeon's retractors. Part 4. The hypopharynx. The mosquito doesn't just take, it gives. This line pumps saliva, a biological, local anesthetic, into you, so you don't feel a thing, and your blood doesn't clot. And finally, Part 5. The labrum. The path is clear, the area is numb. The main line engages, it finds the vein, and the vacuum begins. As you can see, this isn't a needle, it's a microsurgery team. So, 6 needles are entering your face, but why don't you feel anything? Answer: vibration engineering. Man-made needles rely on static load. But those mosquito saw tips, they vibrate thousands of times a second as they enter. Back and forth, back and forth. It's the difference between trying to pierce concrete with a flat nail and using a hammer drill. High-frequency vibration cuts without stretching the skin. Your nerve endings can't register a cut that fast and precise. When your brain isn't triggered, there is no pain. This is biological stealth technology. Before you can even say ouch, the operation is over. Finally, humanity swallowed its pride and decided to learn from the insect we hate the most. Engineers at Kansai University in Japan copied the mosquito's proboscis to end the pain for diabetics. The resulting nanopass 33 and microneedle technologies use a conical, serrated design just like that proboscis. The result? No pain. That annoying buzz right by your ear at night. That was actually the sound of millions of years of R&D. We just learned how to listen a little late. This is Unbox History Lab. Try not to scratch.